In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import tasks into an existing Asana project. Importing tasks can be a powerful way to seamlessly integrate work from different tools or sources into Asana, making your project management more streamlined. Let's dive right in. First, it's important to start the import process in Asana. You'll want to open the specific Asana project where you wish to add your tasks. This is crucial because the import process directly impacts the project you have open, so always double-check that you're in the right place. Once the project is open, direct your attention to the top of the project view. There, you'll notice a drop-down arrow situated right next to the project name. This is your gateway to the import menu. By clicking on this arrow, you open up a list of options. Simply hover your mouse over the import option, and from the subsequent choices, select CSV. Now that you've set the stage for importing, it's time to upload your file. Click on the Select a CSV file to import option. This action opens a file browser window, allowing you to navigate through your system's files. Locate the CSV file you've prepared and select it. Take a moment here to ensure it's the correct file, as this is the foundational data that will be brought into your Asana project. With your CSV file selected, Asana will prompt you to map your data. This step is about making sure that the information from your CSV aligns correctly with the fields in your Asana project. Asana will show you each column header from your file next to the Asana fields it's been mapped to. It's a good idea to review each one diligently. For example, if you have a column in your CSV titled Target Completion, you'll want to ensure it's mapped to the due date field in Asana, or an appropriate custom field if you've set up any. Custom fields can present unique opportunities for mapping. If a column name in your CSV exactly matches an existing custom field in your Asana project, Asana will automatically map it for you. If not, you might see an option to create a new custom field. Review these mappings carefully, and if necessary, make changes or skip over columns using the options provided in the preview screen. This is your chance to customize the import process to fit your project's needs. Once you're satisfied with the mappings, it's time to complete the import. You'll first want to review the task preview. This step allows you to see a snapshot of how the data will appear post-import. Ensure everything looks right. This is crucial to maintain data integrity and avoid errors. When confident that everything is in order, you can proceed by clicking either Import or Continue to Project. This initiates the import process, adding the tasks from your CSV file into your Asana project. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully imported tasks into your existing Asana project, enhancing your workflow efficiency. Keep these steps handy for future imports to ensure a smooth integration every time. Happy organizing!